Are you an automotive professional who wants to grow his business? Or are you an automotive professional that just wants to stay the same, would like to keep his business the same size? In other words, not get smaller. Hi, I'm Danny Sanchez, CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. And I do know that if you want to grow your business, you're going to need to be able to find great people to add to your company. But also, even if you want to stay the same size, if you're happy with the growth point that you're at, you're still going to need to work really hard at keeping the people that you have. This class, Building a Winning Culture, was designed to help you do both of those things. So if you want to grow your company, you're going to have to be able to create a culture in which people from the outside want to join you inside your company. If you want to keep what you have, then you're going to need to continue building a culture inside your company so that the people who are with you now want to stay. Building a culture inside the company is no easy task. It's not something you can do in the short term, and certainly nothing you can do with waving a magic wand. It takes hard work, it takes perseverance, and sometimes that can be painful, but it also can be unbelievably rewarding as you continue to build a place that people want to stay and work for. Join me for this class and help you walk through the many steps of building a very successful culture and help you grow or at least maintain your automotive business. We'll see you there.